Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today we're going to talk about near-Earth objects. Those are often abbreviated as NEOs. Near-Earth objects. And what that means is there are many thousands of objects floating through space that cross the orbit of Earth around the sun. So if you imagine that this is the sun, and this is Earth traveling around the sun, and this is Jupiter. In between Earth and Jupiter, there are asteroids. This is the asteroid belt. Now these are not the near-Earth objects. The near-Earth objects are the ones that cross our orbit, and there are a few. And scientists monitor these very closely because of the potential impact with Earth. If you look in different places around Earth, you can actually see very large craters where these objects have slammed into our planet. When an asteroid goes through the atmosphere, it pushes the air in front of it, and this energy heats up. It heats up the air, and then the air heats up the object. These objects are made out of metal and or stone. So as it comes through the atmosphere, it heats up. And then sometimes you can see a big fireball coming through the sky, and this has happened over Russia and other places. And if it hits the Earth before the object burns up, it makes a big crater. And that's a rock. So scientists monitor these very closely. NASA has a whole website where you can look up near Earth objects and near approaches. We had that near miss, that 2019 okay. We're going to have another one coming up very soon on August 28th, 2019. This one is called 2019 OU1. I'll write the name here. 2019 OU1. And that is the name of this. This is going to be a near miss, but it's not going to be as close as the last asteroid. It's going to be 2.68 lunar distances from Earth. So it's almost 3 times, I guess you can round it up to 3 times. 3 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. That's a lunar distance. Now, again, if you take this map of the world, and this rock represents the moon. This represents the moon. The moon is about the size of the United States. And the moon is 238,900 miles from Earth, orbiting Earth. A lunar distance is that far away. So the next near, I wouldn't say it's a near miss because it's going to be outside of the moon's orbit, but it's going to be pretty close to Earth. 2.68 lunar distances from Earth. These happen all the time, and most people walk around and don't even know about near-Earth objects, near misses, asteroids in general. They're actually a legitimate concern for people on Earth. We've had different things happen to the dinosaurs and stuff, but I wouldn't worry too much because the larger ones show up through our telescopes, and scientists monitor their orbits very carefully. They have protocol in place in case we need to move from one city to another to get out of the way of the asteroid. But these are powerful objects floating through space, and you can monitor them. I found a wonderful website. It's called theskylive.com, and it actually has an updated table where you can see the near-Earth objects that are going to be coming up in the near future. And so I would recommend you visit that website. I hope that this little video was informative and interesting, and there's so much to learn about asteroids and these near misses. Thank you.